I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at StockMarketMentor.com on Monday, April 15th. And in this free chart here, I want to look at Sprint. First, I'm not even really honestly sure what to say about the Boston thing. I know there's a lot of members in the area. That was a big event, the Boston Marathon. And so my thoughts and prayers go out to anybody who is in need of those thoughts and prayers. Like I said, I just really don't know what else to say. So let me get into Sprint. This is one that I've been featuring here in the free chart videos for the last couple weeks, really, and it's been in this volatility squeeze. There's always been this consensus, and you could look at it in the news or on the chat boards or whatever. Not a consensus, but there's always been a conjecture that that Sprint would be acquired. That was one of the reasons why the stock had just been kind of drifting upward, low volatility. Bottom line is nobody really wanted to sell it. You know, there wasn't any real compelling reason to sell it. You could say, oh, well, they're not making money. Well, duh, dude. I mean, that's been the case forever, it seems like. So anyway, if you were long this stock, and I know a lot of people in the Stock Market Mentor and Option Market Mentor forums were, from what I can see, I think you got to sell this stock. One of the guys actually this morning said that he sold it at $7.24, and that's a pretty good sell. I mean, that's almost top tick in the market. To you who did that, this is the one opportunity you got to do that. Anybody at one time in your life can top tick the market with a sell, or you can bottom tick the market with a buy. You get to do that once, but you can do the opposite as many times as you want. You can top tick the market with a buy as much as you want. So anyway, think about that. So the bottom line is, I think this is a stock that should be sold. I'm not saying that it's going to fall down here to 650. I don't know. But I will say this, the stock was selling off before the news about before the Boston Marathon event came. So this was one of these buy the rumor, which everybody'd been doing, sell the news events. The bottom line is there's just not a lot of upside in here right now. It's 706. If you're still holding, if you're buying the stock now, don't do that. There's really not that much upside in it. And if you're holding the stock, wanting the stock to get up like to the high here so you can sell it where it was at one point, I don't think you want to do that either. Look, the market's pretty bloody right now. There's going to be a lot of good buying opportunities in the next couple days. I promise you that. And so you don't want to have your money tied up in Sprint when the money's already been made. So go ahead and book those profits, take your money, and put it into to other stuff that has been, quote, unjustly punished. So anyway, that's it for this video. Now, members, get over to the strategy session. I got a lot of stuff to say about where the market is right now. There's a lot of opportunities, honestly, and this is to everybody, not just to members. I can't tell you whether those opportunities are going to appear tomorrow morning or whether they'll be Wednesday morning. It's really impossible for me to say without lying to you. But I will just say we're going to have a really, really good buying opportunity because stocks are all being punished. So I want you to have some cash ready to do that, to take advantage of that. Okay, I'll see you next time.